Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Trust Wallet to Binance Exchange. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. To start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to connect Trust Wallet to Binance Exchange. And then click on Search. After that, we can see this first option. Just click on this one. From this page, we can see the step-by-step process. So it says here, the first step is to access your Trust Wallet and then select the Receive button. And then next, we have to select the asset you would like to transfer. Next, select the deposit from Exchange. After that, select Binance. After that, you have to enter the amount of crypto that you want to transfer, and then tap on Confirm. You now need to enter your PIN. The transfer will begin processing. And that's it. It's just simple and easy. Try it now. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.